Minister of Justice, at no stage have I ever, and at no stage will I ever, instruct the National Prosecuting Authority or any prosecutor in South Africa whether they should proceed or not proceed with the prosecution of anyone.
Masutha is setting the record straight about how cases involving Fees Must Fall activists will be handled. He's committing to ask the NPA to evaluate each case to determine the seriousness of the charges, the weight and evidence available. Most of the students have been charged with public violence. He says presidential pardon is only granted to those who have been convicted and sentenced. But there are preconditions.
Presidential pardons are granted in respect of convicted and sentenced persons only, on the basis of information they provide and in circumstances where the applicant has shown good cause. Under no circumstances can the presidential pardon be predetermined.
Student activists such as Bonginkosi Kanyile, who has had a sleep out at the Union Buildings, Pretoria, and is due to be sentenced, are lambasting the minister's plan, saying it lacks specifics.
What the minister has said, it was a lecture on law and more rhetorical, which lacks facts on how should we therefore deal with the issues that we are faced with. While therefore saying the committee of students that will be established must work with the minister in terms of dealing with the specifics. How do we then pardon all students of which were affected during the course of the Fees Must Fall?
The minister is not giving a time limit for the investigations by the NPA, but Kanyile says there is a plan of action.
Yeah.
We can't declare now. The minister is uneasy. He wants to go and report. So if you say we're going to assemble by Union Buildings, you'll find the police officers are already there by Union Buildings. Or they just catch me here and I'm processed and dealt with like that.
Meanwhile, the Justice Department says the country's laws allow for alternatives such as diversion, mediation, or other forms of restorative justice in the case of students who are yet to appear in court. Khumalo, Pretoria.